everybody, it's Julie and I am here with the Spring Blossom series. I'm going to get a book. I actually have to do a couple of them, and so I have chosen one of the cat books because they're my favorite size, and I am going to just go ahead, and what you want to do is you need to open your book and pull it over until it pops. Okay, and it'll pop. Yep. Okay, and then you'll want to take your X-Acto knife and go ahead and reach in. Oh, thumb. And just, this is making it look too easy. It's not this easy, usually. Okay. You want to make sure that your book is coming apart from the back there. Okay, so this book was actually glued to the spine, but for some reason, it's not staying glued. Interesting. Oh well. Oh wow, check it out. Okay, I wonder if I'd already done this book. I might have already tried to do this book. So, there we go. So now the other thing is I like to make sure I get this page out, because it is great. It's usually thicker, but not as thick as like really thick cardstock. Now I'm not pressing down into the cardboard here. I'm just pulling off this book binding. Okay. Now I come over to this side and do the same thing. Just try and get this front page out safely. Okay, so there we have been able to take the book apart, and it is ready. So in case you wanted to see that again, since I have to do a second book, and this is the cat who brought down the house. And so, okay, so listen. Okay. You know what? This one is glued to the back of the thing also. Okay. Well. This one might be a little harder. Or a lot harder. Okay, so we're going to come along, and that's me going along and cutting it off the book binding. Okay, you want to, when you get stuck with a book like this, you want to be very careful, because what you've got happening is your book was glued to the binding, to the back, or to the spine. that really is not a good book for this. But I'm already committed. Okay. Well, it came out super easy, but this is not ideal. So I'm gonna go, just hang on for just a minute. We'll do this one more time, and I'll show the kind of book that you actually do want to have. I just picked these books up at the library. I needed a purple book. I needed a purple book. So I got Bonfire of the Vanities. It is a purple book. But you can see you can see that it separates. Okay? This one did not separate. It's going to work, but it did not separate. So when I was at the library, I was actually looking to make sure that these ones were going to come undone. So I got two purple books. See that? That's the kind of book you want. And this is by the same author. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pull back. You see you get that little gutter right there? We're going to go in that little gutter. We're going to be really careful. Okay. This is almost as scary as the Instant Pot. Thing is the books are only 50 cents at my library. What I've been doing is taking my change, because it's a program they call Friends of the Library, and they do it as a fundraiser for the library. So people donate books that can be sold. You see how easy I can stick my fingers down in there when we couldn't do that on that other book. There we go. See that? Yes, much better. Okay, now we'll come to this side. I'll start it by getting the paper out of the way. Okay. Then we come back. See how far down we have to go inside. So I wasn't going inside far enough, actually. But I don't want to break the book, because there's two purple books and I need two. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we have 3 gutted books. These are newer books. The pages in them are amazing. They are thick, and they will be awesome. You could actually save the book like this and read it if you wanted to. I will be using pieces from the books to go ahead and use. So there you go. We have gutted 3 books, and these ones are the ones we want at least about 1 inch of a spine for what the project that we're going to do. And that's just over 1 inch. Like, what do we got? 1 inch and 1.25 inches. We come edge to edge. Yeah, 1.25 inches. Okay. So look at there. You can stack up 3 books like nothing if you get the insides out of them. Okay, so that is our first part. We need to gut our book. Gut our book, and then we're ready for the next part. So I hope you come back to part 2. There are still kits available for this project in my Etsy shop, Dearjuliejulie. This is the inspiration that we'll be going with, and it is a full kit. Everything you need to be able to make this junk journal. You just add in a few things, some items from the digital kit, including the digital embroidery set, and voila, we'll be making this book. So stay tuned. Come back for part 2. Have an amazing day. Find something to celebrate every day. And don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye.